guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how I make these cute stickers. Without any further, let's begin the video. So first I searched on Google for some cute pictures. Here what I found. These are really cute. You can choose whatever you want. Some of them that I like the most are these. Now I drew them, and you can do whatever, like I draw these social media logos and some cute ones. Now I'm gonna outline these. After you have outlined them, then you have to color them. Now you have to cut them, but you have to leave a little space before you cut them. After you have cut them, you need a plastic bag like this. Now you have to cut the plastic bag. Stick them on plastic bag using tape. You have to be careful while taping them. Don't touch the sticky side of tape. You have to follow this process for all of them. After you have stick them on the plastic bag, you have to cut them again. You have to leave a little space while cutting so that you will peel it off easily. After you have cut them, they will look like this. You can take it off again and stick it somewhere else. Now I will put them in this plastic bag so that they will be safe and secure. I make these two and I stick them on plastic bag. Like when you want it, you can peel it off from the plastic bag and you can use it. This is also a nice process, but I don't want the sticky side to be lose the stickiness. That is all for today. I hope you like my idea. I will see you next video. Take care and bye bye.